the previous year question section. This is a JEE mains question 2023. An equilateral triangle is given. Of side 4 root 3 centimeters. 2 ampere current is flowing and you need to find the magnetic field at the centroid. The magnetic field at the centroid would be purely due to the linear current paths. There are 3 linear current paths. This would involve an idea like this. This, let's say, is a current path from P to Q, and let's say this is some R from P to Q. At this point O, what is the, let's say this is the direction of the current, I equal to 2 amperes. Then the angle that I will consider would be like this. This is theta 1 and this angle would be theta 2. And then the magnetic field at this point BO would be equal to mu naught I by 4 pi d into cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. This is the idea we will engage. Now the angles theta 1 and theta 2. If we go to this particular triangle, this being an equilateral triangle, the segments joining the centroid or the incenter or the circumcenter or orthocenter of an equilateral triangle divides this angle equally. Now this is total 60, half of it is 30°. Therefore this much is also a 30° angle. And hence the theta 2 value, this is directly equal to your theta 1 and the theta 2 angle would be this much. And the theta 2 angle would be equal to 150° or 5 pi by 6. So therefore, if I use this, I have to calculate a D. And D is the shortest distance from this point of observation till the length, perpendicular length to the current carrying element. Now this B value is due to each of these segments, PQ, QR, RP. So therefore, the net magnetic field at point O, I will call that B naught. Instead of this, I will call that B naught, would be 3 times B. This is what we need to calculate. Now, how much is D here? This is very simple again. Let's use the side length. 4 root 3 centimeters is given. That means this much is 2 root 3 centimeters. How much? This much. And this is D. So, if I use tan of 30° as 1 by root 3, that is equal to opposite D by 2 root 3. So, D is equal to simply a 2 centimeters length. Now, let's put it over there. So, the calculation of B would be mu naught by 4 pi means 10 power minus 10. The current is 2 amperes. Cos of 30° as theta 1, cos of 150° as theta 2, and upon D. And D is 2 centimeter means 2 into 10 power minus 2. So 2 goes, 10 power 5 remains. And yes, if I want to calculate this into a B naught, I will have a into 3. So therefore, I will calculate that effectively later. 10 power minus 5 from here to cancels. Into this first, cos of 30°, that is root 3 by 2 minus. Cos 150° is cos of pi minus 30, that is effectively minus cos 30, and that means effectively plus root 3 by 2, and into this 3 for the net calculation. So therefore I have root 3 here, 3 here. So effective 3 root 3 and into 10 power minus 5 Tesla. That's all. So therefore the answer should be this. That's all, dear. Thanks for your patience. See you in the next question.